We're in the middle of Ohio and it's warmer here than it was in North Carolina. It's 3 a.m.
That's very bumpy.
For the convenience.
That's no fun.
I don't think it's open yet. There's nothing inside.
Huh.
Look, it's another one of the oases. Doesn't have stuff in it though.
Not a lot of people, surprisingly.
Well, you can't because
Illinois?
it's the world's largest Culver's, now closed for the season. Because it's not lunchtime yet. Then it's open for the season. What's a Culver's, you ask? It's a McDonald's in Wisconsin. But it tastes good. Because it's not
I
McDonald's.
think I've only been there like one time.
I'm just kidding. It's more like... I would say Freddy's, except they have crinkle fries, which are disgusting. But they have
They do have custard, right?
custard, yes.
That's what Freddy's has.
And burgers, which is what Freddy is famous for. So it's a Freddy's, but nicer. What?
That one's yours, it smells like it, huh?
I heard it opening without eating.
Oh, wait, this one. I'm gonna crash with that one. Is it? Can you get it?
He's there. That's hurt.
What did you get, baby? What did you get? Oh my goodness. It even smells like a turkey. It's supposed to have a smell?
I didn't realize that in the store.
Good. It smells like
Oh,
turkey, like gravy or something. What is that?
It's a hit, sorry.
no, it's fine.
It's like, it'll wear off, I'm sure.
Oh, oh!
It's frustrating to watch.
It's a soccer ball. Oh yeah, oh, yeah, it's coming. I'm gonna get that.
What did you get?
That's so cute.
Yes.
No.
Huge favor.
Yeah, what's up?
What are you laughing? Because I wondered what was up the second you face was showing.
I still don't understand why none is staying on your railing. I don't get that.
It's not railing snow.
It's not railing snow. It's on everything else,
Yeah.
It's done.
but it's not on the railing. I should have, I know. It's either going to melt slowly down the sides overnight, or it's going to melt all on the ground. We come to Minnesota to work on a truck. How 1,300 miles, so I can have my personal mechanic work on my vehicle.
Yeah.
And by that I mean somebody that I actually trust to work on it, that I know isn't going to screw me over.
These are my latest dumb purchases. These two. One's a light pod and then a flashlight. But I have this bank that's magnetic on my thing, and they both stick on a wireless charge.
They wireless charge?
Yeah. I think that's 7/8 maybe.
Thank God for the garage heater. There it is. Yep.
There's not a bad amount of chat on these.
No, they're okay.
But they're, oh, these aren't hand cooks.
Yep.
Okay.
They're okay.
Roll this over there.
Yeah, well.
Which I know most of that's a protective cover around it. That accordion tube.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Still the cheapest lift I've ever seen.
Yeah, right?
It's super tight.
Yeah. Hold on. There we go.
Mall of America. Oh, it's doing a spinny. Oh, it's slowed down. It's slowed down. There's an angry man up there on the pillar.
Is that Avatar?
It's Babatar,
The airbender.
the bearbender. Lego, my Lego.
Look at the chopper.
Oh look, the state bird of Minnesota. Queen of the Boceans. The thing from Star Trek. Line for the Lego store. The state bird of Minnesota. What you got there?
not sure.
Got some gloves as long as a salmon. The state bird of Minnesota. Well, I have no idea what this store could be. It doesn't have a name. He's the guy that prevents all the viruses on Apple devices, right?
And you stack your plates up.
It's the plate fountain. Nutcracker. The state bird of Minnesota. What kind of venison is that?
It's Minnesota lobster.
The state bird of Minnesota. We're too poor to go to the aquarium, so we just stare at it like weirdos. There's all the rays that I can't touch because they're too far away and I don't want to pay. What is it, $27? $26? To go touch the rays. No, you.
No, probably.
There's no way the ray touch is free.
True.
They charge for ray touch. Bye, rays. Oh, he waved at me. It's so pigeony right now. Look at how pigeony it is.